in the previous video we've seen that we can sign up with our Gmail account to Mendeley website. Now we log into Mendeley website and Mendeley is asking some additional information. You can skip this step or you can enter your information. It is per your choice. We skip this step. So after skipping the additional steps, we are on this page, and now I click on the library to see what kind of options that are available for us in the library section. So this is a library section where you can arrange your research papers and all data related to research, and you can access the data later on from any place, because whatever you're going to save on this platform you can access all over the world, because it will be saved on a cloud. So this website is automatically linked and synced with your desktop application that we have installed in our first video. So before exploring the website of Mendeley, and we will work on our desktop application to see how we can arrange paper, and then we can sync all our data on this website. So here is our desktop application, and now we need to sign into our desktop application. So we need to add our email ID and password that we use when we sign up with Mendeley. So I have entered this information and press sign in key. So we are going to sign in. So when you first time log in into the Mendeley desktop application, it will ask you for a couple of options. We will can install our API for Microsoft Word. So we just need to click on this install now, and it will automatically download and integrate it with our Microsoft Word. And now you can see that reference manager and citation plugin for Microsoft Word both have been installed, and now I need to close this. So there are some information that this desktop application is giving us, so how we can use it. So if you want to study it, you can study it, otherwise you just can close it. So there are some folders and there are some information on this interface of desktop application of Mendeley. In the next video we will explore this this interface, and we will see how we can arrange our paper in different folders, and then we will move into how we can add references. So don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much.